Hi planties, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For anyone that is new to my channel, my name is Monique. For all existing subscribers, welcome back. And we are at the Happy Plant Palace. Today we're not talking about this guy, but I mounted this philodendron into my bedroom. It's a really gloomy day here in Australia today, so I thought I'll film in my bedroom. Gives you a bit of different background. The Adansonii I'm going to mount with you is located in my laundry in a south-facing window, and it sort of started shingling along some photo frames, and it had a lack of light, which is a good example because I get asked these questions all the time. What's going on with my shingling plant? Probably dealt with it. This long string with no leaves, and you think, what is going on here? Don't worry, it happens to anyone, but that doesn't matter because I show you what to do with it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so it's all done. As you could see, this is the laundry, by the way. During the, excuse the bit of washing. As you could see, I was cutting off the part that had no growth on it. So clearly you can see how the light's coming in. And then there's not much up the top. That's why I'm trying to top it to come down. And I'm going to cover this bare wall over here with the lining of the Adansonii. So I'll keep you updated. So now the bit that we cut off. If you ever have that happen, it's due to lack of light. Unless you have a Hoya. Hoyas develop like the growth, and then they develop the leaves on the leaf axil on the nodes after. So don't cut your Hoyas. So I'm just going to make a cut there. And what I'm going to do, I'm just cut on every node, there, there. And then we put it all, I can say that here. Then we dip it in cinnamon again. I'll leave that a bit longer. Pop that in here. Also, this is a nice little jar, and I bought this at the craft shop, heat gun, and you can vamp up your propagation jars with these guys. I'm just going to pop them all together into this little vase here. And once they are rooted, I'm just going to pop them in the same pot, so we have more to shingle along that wall. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Stay planty. Bye.